I got to know him like when I was the deputy governor by FCT. I didn't know him before, even though I knew about him as the president, but we never met one-on-one. But when I was the deputy governor by FCT, so Niger-Delta was changed then, just finished with the Kayama Declaration and others. When we gave the deputy governor to Allah Muslim, we took over, and there was some issue. And they were to meet with me, my governor then, planning their travel. So then the deputy governor had to meet with the troops, and I think like came, And I was quite pleased when I listened to him that day. An elderly man with that kind of passion. So our problem, not just the problem of the Niger-Delta, but the problem of the country. The IPAC was totally committed with the unity of this country. But one thing it will never compromise is domination, oppression, where some people will take it for granted and exploit it. Those are the issues we fought against. And for us, from the issue of ethnic nationality, we have lost somebody that we can't think about replacement. Nobody should even ask us, can you get a replacement? We will all try our little best in our little way. But the qualities of the different are still even at the point of test is memory or social. I mentioned the other day when we had a lecture and a tribute that even if you have about 60 years and go to discuss with the big like 60, 70, they will tell you where you work with your father. He has that kind of memory. And he was ready to take on anybody who believes says something against the common interests of the people. And he had no fear for anybody. He's somebody who will all live to remember. Is somebody who will always never leave us well. Just like we've read part of the scriptures, there's the time to be born, time to die. He has done his best. He has also exceeded the biblical 3 scores and 10. So we are to celebrate his departure. So for us who are from the family, I'm supposed to read one of the lessons as a song. So we have to thank all of you for joining us to celebrate our father. I thank you all.